Now, following the recent updates on TikTok ad with regards to payment, I did a video on how to go about funding your TikTok ad, because a lot of persons reached out to me, including my students, asking that I do a video that there has been an update on paying for TikTok ad. So I did that video and I showed you how you can still get coins to now recharge or fund your TikTok ad, right? So today I want to do this video to see if we can use a virtual card to pay for TikTok ad without buying coin. Okay, so I hope you are with me on this. If you are, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's dive in. Now I'm going straight to TikTok, the app. So it's opening. And let me get to my profile so that I can see my videos. So I'll click on the three dots down here and I'll head over to increase view, which is the promote icon. Alright, so we are here now and we leave it at get sales, right? Our link is already there, right? So let's move on. Here we come to custom and we select these age ranges, save. Okay, let's adjust the budget because it's a trial ad. Let's put like 1.5 here. Confirm. Okay. All right, so yeah, I adjusted it to 1,570 something. Okay, and I have a little balance here. So let's hit on pay. Remember, we want to see how we can pay with our virtual card, right? So I hit on pay. Okay, so I'll select card payment, credit, debit card. So I click on that. All right, so here I'm going to input my card number, my virtual card number, right? That's what I'm going to put here. I need to paste it. I copied it out already. I just want to paste it. Okay, so I pasted that. Okay, so we are done. So we want to see if we can pay with our virtual card, right? So I'll click on confirm. So if this works, it means that, yeah, you can pay with this and not have to buy coin, right? So, and I hope it works. Because I've tried the local card here, processing your payments. Wow. So I've tried some cards, my cards here from Nigeria, and none worked. And they used to work. In fact, it's one of them that I used to buy coin. So it still works when it has to do with buying coin. But for this payment like we're doing here, okay, it doesn't work. Okay, so it says checking, confirm payment, checking account security. This could take a few minutes, processing your payments. So we wait. Wow, so payment was successful. That's great. Payment was successful for this. I love that. So okay, I think to confirm that this payment was successful, I will need to check my email. By the way, I use my gray virtual card, right? So that's what I use. Let's get to my email to see if there's a confirmation, and I'll put it here. Let's select all so I can capture the gray email. Because if the payment was successful, usually I'll get a notification. Okay, card transaction successful. So let's see whether it's that 1.5 that we put. Of course, it will be converted in dollars, right? So that's my name. Okay, TikTok promotion. Can you see here? Okay, can you see in dollars is 0.99. Okay, that's less than $1 for 1,005, and that's what it's supposed to be. And if you check the dates, this is June 1st, because this 1st of June, this on the June 1st, 2025, and check the time, it varies. Okay, so you can use your gray virtual card to pay for TikTok ad without having to buy coin. Okay, because when you go to buy coin, the coin will be converted, or the amount you spent on coin will be converted, and at the end of the day, the money will be reduced, right? So you can fund your gray account and then use your gray virtual card to try to fund your TikTok ad, and that would be great. Okay, so if you have any issue on TikTok ad, drop it in the comment, and don't forget to share this video with anybody that you care for. Okay, now if you have not still joined our TikTok ad mastery class, this is the best time to join because we are giving a huge discount, right? So find the link in the description of this video and join the class now so that you don't waste money running TikTok ad. Okay, now you can try any other virtual card that you have or that you use. If it works, also let us know in the comments so that every other person can see that, and probably if they have that, they can go ahead to use that. But like I said, this one is great virtual card that I used. Okay, see you on the next video.